everyone. My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Now, either way, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit that notifications bell so that you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. So you can chime right in, you can comment, you can share it, you can let us know what you like, what you don't like, what you're looking forward to. Okay, now the video on today is about our Yes, oh yes package. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and dig right in and find out exactly what is in the bag for the month of February. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead in and we're going to pull out the description card, which says XOXO forever, kisses, hello with love, hugs and kisses for you, thanks, love you, yes, oh yes. So I'm gathering that means it's a love note to us all. Okay, now let's just jump right in and see what is here. Now, the first thing that we have is by the company w.o.c Cosmetics. Okay, all right, here it is, and this is the Velvet Smooth eyeliner. Okay, and this comes in the color, oh, this says 530 deepest black. Okay, and this is Velvet Smooth eyeliner, and it's waterproof. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Nice and black. There we go, right there. And this is what that point on the pencil looks like. So yes, this is one that must be sharpened. Okay, now this one is, oh, see, you know what? They just hurt my feelings. Previously, they used to list the prices of each and every item. Here, not the case anymore, y'all. Okay, they just give us a manufacturer suggested retail price of the total bag. Okay, so this is item number 1, and that's the Velvet Smooth eyeliner. The next one is the Esmeralda eyeshadow palette by the company Beauty Creations. The packaging is rather nice looking. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and it slides right out. Okay, and the inside looks the same. Oh, I love the border. Nice. Okay, and these are some beautiful colors. Okay, yes, it does have a mirror, and here are the colors. However, they do not have names listed for each of these. So let's go ahead and we'll swatch. Look at this green. Okay, so here are what the colors, some of them, you know, kind of look like there. So, oh, I'm looking forward to kind of playing in this one. There is even a military green in here. Very nice. I will go online and check the prices for you, and I will list them so you know exactly what each item cost. Okay, and the next one is by Bang Beauty, and that is a lip crayon. This is how it came in this package here. And It's quite orangey red. Quite. Look at this. So let's go ahead. We're going to take this across the top. Oh, you got to be really careful with this because it is extremely soft. Extremely. So here it is. That's this color here. Quite orange. Okay. And then our next item is the crease brush by INMO. Now, I don't know if you know what that stands for. So I did actually go online so that I could check it out. Okay. When I first heard about these brushes. And INMO is the acronym for I'm Not Missing Out. Okay. Here are those 3 brushes. Right here. Okay, they're beautiful. I love that look. Okay, they are pretty dense. So that's what these brushes look like here. Okay, very, very nice. All right, moving right along, and the last item that we have is by J.Cat Cosmetics, and it is the Holy Addiction eyeliner. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like on that one, and of course it's in the color brown. Okay, let's see. That's kind of like a goldish, bronzy color brown. Oh my. Okay, and this is it right here. Okay. And that is the last item in our Yes Oh Yes February 2019 package. And that consisted of the Koki Cosmetics Velvet Smooth Eyeliner, the Beauty Creations Esmeralda Eyeshadow Palette, the Bang Beauty Lip Crayon, the INMO crease brush, concealer brush, angled brush, and the J.Cat Cosmetics Holy Addiction eyeliner. Okay, so these are the contents of this month's package, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the enclosed items is $93. Now, those of you who are not familiar with the Yes Oh Yes monthly subscription package, it is $14.99 per month, plus you do pay shipping. And with that, you get anywhere from 3 to 7 items, and with a guaranteed, although I don't know why they say guaranteed, because there have been a few months where it didn't even come close, but you are supposed to be getting at least $75 worth of products. So I must tell you, I'm feeling the brushes and I'm feeling the palette based on what it looks like. We're going to come back and we're going to do a look with this palette using these brushes, okay? And while we're at it, we might as well go on and use the liners as well, so we can get a complete eye look from our Yes Oh Yes February package. Okay, now I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for choosing to spend your most valuable asset with me on today, which is your time. And as always, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.